You want to go out there? Some of this is hard to get. That guy that started your bike, he said they might give you a clean practice. In other words, since you didn't really get a lap, they'll at the end of all the other practices, they might let you go again.
Like just by myself?
Well, with some others that didn't make their practice. So anybody that missed their practice, they'll give them another chance. So you might be out there with a couple guys, you might be out there with big bikes, but you just go out there and run a few laps. All right, hey, I saw that last jump over that finish line looked pretty good, and you were popping wheelies off of the other ones. Hey, just got to be in control, right? Use that rear brake.
Yeah, I was going too fast on that. And once I once I went off that the second roller. Once I went off the second roller, the bone was way too close to me, so I stomped on my real bike, and still.
It's okay, hey. But now you know you gotta go a bit slower over that. You still didn't turn off the GoPro.
Is it still going?
It's still going. We're having a conversation here.